We had heard, I was with a colleague, and we had heard that we were just going around doing the normal monitoring. And then one of our agents had told us that there's some money being shared. Yeah, in fact, the person said that his cousin has been given 400 CD. I mean, it was like, so we came here, and then when we got to the SLC Union building, there were a lot of people there with the campus security. They wouldn't allow people to enter. They were locking the. I mean, there were a number of people, so um, they. I mean, I don't know what was like. They would just pull you in, lock it. No, so my colleague managed to enter. So I was just waiting for him outside because the chaos there was. So I didn't want to even enter. So I was just waiting for him outside. And then after some few minutes, he came back. So I was standing with him. And then within 3 to 5 minutes, a group of people, somebody came confronting him. I mean, well, obviously, I don't know why they were confronting him. So I realized that he had held onto his phone, and the person was trying to get the phone and was like, "Why did you video? Why did you video?" So he gave me the phone. So in an attempt to move from the place with the phone, they pounced on me. Currently, I'm limping on my leg, and I have pain at my back. I have pain at my back. If you just realize, someone just gave me painkillers and water, and I just took my painkillers right now. So I mean, I feel pains, but for the lawyers, I should have been home sleeping.